you. Our topic for today is all about Module 4 or aquaculture. What is aquaculture? Aquaculture is a practice of breeding, raising, harvesting fish, shellfish, and other aquatic organisms in controlled water environments such as ponds, rivers, lakes, and coastal area. It is often called fish farming, and it's done to produce food, support livelihood, and conserve aquatic resources. Example of aquaculture. Number 1, fish farming. An example of fish farming, tilapia. Tilapia is a hardy freshwater fish widely farmed because it grows fast and it is affordable. Milkfish or bangos. The national fish of the Philippines, popular for its tender meat and widely raised in ponds and coastal water. Next, carp. Freshwater fish, open culture and ponds and lakes, valued as food in many countries. Catfish, a freshwater fish recognized by its wickers like barbels, easy to farm and commonly consumed. Number 2, shellfish farming. Example, oyster and shellfish that produce pearls and are also farmed for their edible meat. Second, mussels, edible bivalves that grow attached to rock or roofs in water. Next, calm, burrowing shellfish pond in sand or mud, harvest for food. This will be the image of the example, carp or tilapia, catfish, fish farming or cages, and fish farming land and oyster farm, clams. Number 3, crustacean farming. Shrimps also versatile crustacean grown in ponds and mangroves, highly in demand worldwide. Prawns, similar shrimp but usually larger, farmed for export and local consumer. Number 4, seaweed culture. Nori, a type of edible seaweed commonly used in sushi and snacks. Next, kelp, large brown seaweed used in food, animal feed and raw materials for products like agar and alginate. Others algae includes varieties used in food like gulaman, agar-agar, cosmetics, medicines, and industry. Number 1, fundamental of fish farming. Fish farming, also known as aquaculture, is the practice of raising fish and other aquatic organisms under controlled conditions for food, commercial, or conservation purpose